is ever too small. No dream is ever too big. Naniwala lang ako na posible. Kung tutuusin, pwedeng maging hadlang na bata pa ako. Mahiyain, walang bilib sa sarili, at takot sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Akala ko kapag pinanganak kang mahirap, mamamatay ka na mahirap. Pero alam kong may plano si Lord. Sabi nga, don't be afraid to dream big, for dreams have the power to turn impossibilities into reality. God has His plans and His reasons. Sometimes we are supposed to go through things so that we learn lessons. Di naging madali, pero I realized, hindi ako ilalagay ni Lord sa situation na ito kung hindi ko kaya. What's more, it's not about the success or what has been achieved, but rather in who have become in the process. Kaya huwag ka matakot to dream big. Pinanganak kang mahirap, pero di ka mamamatay na mahirap. Dreaming big makes you find your calling, your legacy, and God's divine plan for your life. God is able to turn the impossible to possible. At kung binigay niya sa akin, hindi imposible sa'yo. Dream big because we have a big God. This is Joseph Dave Saligumba, the youngest Diamond Elite Executive, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.